Is this thing on? Hello. You guys asked for a Beetlejuice crochet idea video. And you're getting one. I'm staring at myself in the viewfinder. So, I asked you guys, it's a little itchy in here. I asked you guys if you wanted a Beetlejuice crochet idea video. And a lot of you overwhelmingly, I'll put the proof up here if I can find it, wanted 50 Beetlejuice crochet ideas. And at first, I didn't think I was going to be able to find 50 ideas, but I did. So here we are. We have exactly 50. If you haven't figured out by the thumbnail, by the title, or by my face, we're doing 50 Beetlejuice crochet ideas. Before we get into it, if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me on Instagram or shoot me a quick email and I'll take them out. Other than that, the categories we have for this video are dolls, wearables, bags, tapestry, and decor. So you got 5 different categories. Also, every pattern I'm showing you is going to be linked in the description box below in the order that I show it to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial. If this is the first time you're seeing my videos, hit that subscribe button, okay? Yes, I did this for you. I deserve it. Let's jump into the first category I have for you, which is going to be dolls. For dolls, we have this Beetlejuice. It's literally a little bee, but if the bee were Beetlejuice, super cute. I've got a sandworm for you, and this sandworm is 4 feet long. So I have a smaller one and a 4-foot long sandworm pattern for you as well. I also have this smaller sandworm pattern, and we have a Beetlejuice gnome. So for all of my gnome lovers, here's the Beetlejuice gnome. Also, I crocheted this. We'll get into that, but whatever. We also have sorry. We're twinning. That's my twin. We also have this Beetlejuice doll. There's going to be a couple Beetlejuice dolls, but that one's more made out of blanket yarn. This one is a Lydia doll. This one is a Shrunken Heads crochet pattern. And then we've got Woobles. I think that's how you pronounce them. Woobles. Woobles came out with Beetlejuice kits, Lydia kits, and kits with like a bunch of the stuff in it. So that's also available for you. So here's the Lydia one, the Beetlejuice one, and then there's one with a sandworm, a shrunken head, Beetlejuice, and Lydia as a bundle, if that's something you want to do. And then we have, this one's a free video tutorial for a little skinny Beetlejuice. And this one is 15 centimeters tall. Then we've got this one, which I really like this one. This one's just a Lydia doll. So cute. And then this one's more of a blanket yarn one. And then we've got this other blanket yarn Beetlejuice doll. And then, of course, another Beetlejuice doll with just eyeballs. And then this one's kind of cool. It's kind of a scary version of Lydia. I thought that was cute. And then this one is our lady version of Beetlejuice. And that's all I have for that category. So let's jump into our wearable category. Speaking of wearables, I made this poncho. This is just my poncho tutorial. I already have it on my channel. I just did it in black and white because I had some extra. I'm touching the makeup because I'm sweating. Okay. Anyway, I made this with some leftover black and white yarn I found. But I just used my poncho tutorial. And since this is a heavier weight yarn, I just went up like 3 hook sizes. So I think I used like an 8 hook size. But if you want to make a poncho, the tutorial's already on my channel. This category is going to be wearables. So for wearables, we have the finger eyeballs from the movie. We have these sandworm slippers, which I thought were really cool and kind of detailed. And I kind of love when people put this much energy into something. And then we have this Lydia choker. Super cute. Especially if you're going to be her for Halloween. Or you can make some striped leg warmers. Or this striped cardigan is also really cool. And then I got 2 corsets for you. There's this corset and this corset. And actually I think I have one more for you here. Oh no, not that one. Yeah, so we've got 2 of these. Both of them are free video tutorials. Then this one's a paid pattern, but it's so elaborate. It's the toothy what is it called? Toothy hood. Super cool. Super, super detailed. Worth every penny if you're going to buy it. And then this one's a sandworm scarf. So we've got a bunch of different wearable options. This one's a free striped video tutorial. The other striped cardigan was free, but it's not a video. It's written. But this one's a free video Showtime cardigan. And then we have the hexagon cardigan. And then this is the other corset top that I mentioned earlier. Dude, I applaud the actor who does Beetlejuice because I'm sweating in this wig and the makeup. It's like hot, and I had to turn the fan off to film this, so I'm like, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. I'm gonna have to make some TikToks with this on because, yeah, I'm not doing all this just for one video. I gotta push the content out there. If you want to follow me on TikTok, feel free. I'm over there. That's my TikTok. Please go follow me, please. Please? No one likes me over there. Okay? I go over there and I'm like, hey y'all, I'm from YouTube. And everybody over there is like, who are you? Who are you? So I need you to go follow me over there so I look famous over there, please. Thank you. So the next category is bags. For bags, we have this striped tote bag. Super cute. We've got a Kindle cover for my readers, who are also Beetlejuice enjoyers. And we've got this dripping Beetlejuice bag, a simple striped crossbody bag, and a sandworm inspired bag. This one's a video tutorial. And then we've got my favorite category for this video, tapestry. Personally, I don't like tapestry grids. I don't like tapestry crocheting. But the tapestry grids for the Beetlejuice video, based off the movie, kind of made me want to go do some tapestry crocheting, so I'm showing you these really cool ones. We've got this no feet one. Love it. We've got this little guy version of Beetlejuice. We have a Lydia one, a faceless Lydia. A creepy... Okay, creepy. This is creepy. But yeah, we've got a creepy Beetlejuice one. Then we've got a sandworm one, which I really like this one because I thought it'd be kind of cool framed. And then we have this is scary Beetlejuice, sad Beetlejuice, and then our last one for tapestry is the Barb and Adam tapestry grid. So that leads us into our last category, which is decor. So this is for all my spooky people, and with Halloween coming up, I thought it'd be fun to include a little decor category as well. So for decor, we have beetle, okay? You can make a bunch of beetles and stick them on the walls or put them on the table or whatever. Super cute. You can make a granny square Beetlejuice blanket. You can make some spiral Beetlejuice coasters. You can make a Beetlejuice baby blanket. You can make this granny square blanket, okay? Or you can just make a striped blanket. Or you could even make Beetlejuice inspired pumpkins to go along with your regular pumpkins as well. And that is all. That is all I have for you for our 50 Beetlejuice crochet ideas. I hope you were able to find something. Honestly, did not think I was going to be able to find 50 patterns, so the fact that I did, I had to make the video happen. I was going to do it, even if I couldn't find 50, I was just going to do a smaller amount, but I was able to stretch it and find them, so hopefully you're able to find something to watch. I went and saw Beetlejuice, the second movie. I liked it. Personally, I liked the first one more. Mind you, I did watch the first one the same day before I went to go watch the second one because I had never seen it. So I was comparing the first and the second one, and I had seen them literally within hours. So, but I like the first one more. Even though no one's asking for my opinion, I'm giving it to you because I did all of this. Like, I need to talk for a little longer, you know? Like, I can't just post a 10-minute video and be like, yep, this was worth it. When I go to Thanksgiving this year and my family's like, how have you been? What have you been up to? What do you do for work? I get to be like, well, have you seen my Beetlejuice video? Crocheting something for every one of these idea videos. Okay, I made this yesterday. Like, we crocheted it for the video, and I'm adding a layer by doing all of this. So yes. If you made it all the way to the end, then that means you're really cool. And you should check out mine and Dylan's podcast channel. We took a break from it because Dylan was in school and blah, blah, blah. But we are both now adults, so we get to go have fun over there. And we have been posting more frequently. So if you want more content, more silly goofiness with me and my brother Dylan, go check out our podcast. I'll link it down in the description below. And I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.